What's up, math scholars and math haters? Today we're going to tackle question 7 of the 3rd grade math questions that North Carolina released this past semester. We've got a figure that's 4 units long and 4 units wide. We see this drawn here, and it's asking us which measurements describe a rectangle that has the same area as the figure. And our answer choices have different lengths and widths of other possible figures. Now, I usually really like to draw out my answer choices in a question like this, but in this case, if we have our times tables and we know how to find the area of a rectangle or a square, we're going to be okay. So if we see that this is 4 units long and 4 units wide, area is just the space inside it. And we can find area fairly easily by going ahead and counting up our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And another way we can get to this, again, using our times tables, we can just get that 4 times 4 is actually going to equal 16. Let me move that because there's a glare there. All right, so all we have to do is look at our answer choices and find one that's going to give us the same area with a different length and a different width. So let's try out choice A, 5 units long and 3 units wide. 5 times 3, this gives us 15. Not what we're looking for. 8 units long and 2 units wide, 8 times 2. This gives us 16. That looks good, but I'm going to go ahead and test the other answers just to be sure. I'll put a little dot next to this one. 10 units long and 6 units wide. Now this one's a bit tricky because they're expecting you to think, oh, I should add those. Those equal 16. I was looking for 16. We're good. But unfortunately, and this will trip you up if you don't know how to find the area of a rectangle or square, we've got to multiply these. And 10 times 6 is not going to give us 16, it's actually going to give us 60. Definitely not what we're looking for. Choice D is tricky in a really similar way. They're expecting you to try to add them up and get 16, but really, we're supposed to multiply, and 12 times 4, if you know your times tables, gives us 48. Not what we're looking for. 60 wasn't what we were looking for either. The only choice that we're left with that even seems like it works is going to be our answer, and that's choice B.